Highlevel Harris, the best affiliate on the planet. Now today, I'm going to show you how you can create your own affiliate program for your business. Okay, so this is the affiliate manager in the marketing section of Highlevel. It's important to create your own affiliate program because every customer that you get, you can add more customers by getting your current customers to refer more people to you. And in doing so, we can reward our client with a monthly income. I'm going to show you how we're going to set up the affiliate program properly from beginning to end. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, first things first, we need to create a website for them to actually go on and read what the affiliate program is about. I've got one here already, let me show you. So I've got this one here. If you click this button, here's a form, they sign out, blah, blah, blah. If you join my affiliate program, I give you a snapshot where you can take everything in my account and paste it in your own account and then change the logos and stuff like that. So it's your own name and yeah, it'd be really cool. I've got a playlist on how you create websites and that sort of thing. So I'm not going to go through the beginning of how I create this website because I've got a playlist on websites and funnels. So I'm going to show you this is what mine looks like and you can replicate it and copy it if you like. So here's how it looks like. So share LMX and get paid. Make £50 per month recurring commissions for every referral. Click that button and then obviously they can sign up. I've got here affiliate tiers. Join our affiliate program and get richer than your wildest dreams. Okay, maybe not that rich, but close enough. Add a bit of humor to it. Don't sound robotic. Who should you share LMX with? LMX works perfect for all these businesses. Blah blah, and you get the idea. Here's a commission calculator. If one of my clients shares the deluxe plan, if they get 5 referrals, they're making 200 a month. 100 referrals, $4,000 a month. So you can create this website yourself, but now I'm gonna show you how we're gonna create this form and everything from there. So go to the sites tab and go to forms and go to form builder. Add form. Start from scratch. The stuff they really give us is pretty much 80% of the way there. All we need to do is probably add our logo. So let's get image, put it up there and choose our logo. Okay, so there's for the name, last name, phone, email, and we can get rid of this box here. This button, you can change the color to your own branding color. So I can make this dark blue, I guess. Make it dark blue. And then we could even add a signature section here. Right there. So then what happens is let's preview this quickly. So you put your name, last name, phone, email, and then just type a random signature and press next. We don't want that to say button. We want this to say want this button probably to say sign up. Sign up now. Okay? What we can do is save that. Okay, once that's saved, let's go back to our website that we made. Okay? So I'll go back to my affiliate one. Now, whenever someone clicks the become an affiliate button, what we do is scroll all the way down and make sure it goes to open pop-up. Then in our pop-up, we can add a column, we can add an element, we can add our form that we just made. Where is that? Add our form. Here's our form. And we can even add a title to say, sign up to the affiliate. Okay. Check a mobile view. If that looks too big on mobile view, so we need to make that smaller. So font size on mobile view, let's get that a bit smaller. That looks perfect, and here that looks perfect. So after we've made the website for them to click onto to sign up, and we've connected the funnels to each button. Okay, the reason we're creating a funnel now is because let's say person X owns the software and I've become their affiliate and I want to bring some of my friends in to this so I gain monthly income. Now the link I'm going to give to my friend is what we're creating. So whenever my friend clicks that link, they're going to go through some funnel steps where they can purchase and then I'll be credited for that purchase because it's all linked. So basically creating the funnel for the link that the referred person is going to go onto. So press a new funnel, name it affiliate. Okay, make sure you add your domain, favicon URL. Okay, steps, let's add a new step. We can name this the pricing path pricing. So we're letting the referred person pick what plan they want to choose from. Now what we're going to do is use existing, okay, from the website, the pricing LMX, the website is the pricing page. Okay, so my pricing page, I'm going to import that into this funnel. Okay, so what it looks like is this. Here's my pricing page. So the referred person can come here and choose what bundle they want, either deluxe or the deluxe pro. But what we need to do is go and edit. Make sure this button goes to So this button is book a call. So we need to create a URL. So if they click that and go onto my page where they can book a call. So this is the page where they can sign in and book a call. So I need a URL for that and put it in here. So whenever you click this button, it will link to the URL to book a call. Okay, and that's that. Then whenever they click start now, we want this to go to the next funnel step. Next step in our funnel, just bear with me. So it's just next step. Okay, so click next step for each of those. So now once they click one of the bundles, they need to go onto the purchasing page. Let's create that purchasing page. I'll create this from blank with you guys just so it's easier for you to follow along very quickly. So get a full width. Let's add a column. Let's add an image. Let's add our logo. Let's add another column, full width. Let's add a column there. Let's add a 2-step order form. Let's make this green section black. We can even add a headline, say purchase below. Make this white and just glam it up a bit. And here the first one says shipping, and here the first section says shipping. We don't want it to say that, so click on this, go into advanced, make sure this says something like your information, and then you can hide company name, we don't need that. Shipping, we don't need shipping, let's get rid of that. Show shipping, hide shipping. Okay, that looks better. Now the second column, we've done this first one, now we're doing this second one here. Go up, go to step 2. I'm doing this very quickly because I made a playlist on how we're going to do this all. Here you could say here purchase, and then you see here it says edit shipping details. We just want that to say probably go back. So now that says go back. Okay, so then that looks all fine. You got the coupon there. If they want it, you can disable it. You can go here and play around with that. Okay, press save, go back. Now we need to actually add the products in that we made. So now we need to actually add the 2 products in. We need to add the deluxe product and the deluxe pro product so they can actually purchase that bundle. So go to the purchasing page, go to products, add product, and add the deluxe and add the deluxe pro. If you don't know how to do that, go onto my playlist called payments, and there's literally a video on how you're going to do that, okay? On that playlist. And also what I forgot to mention is that even on your pricing page for Highlevel to track everything, you need to put your products on each stage of the funnel. So go back and add both of them back in. Even on your pricing page. Even if they can't even purchase on that page, but you need to have everything linked. So make sure that's there. So even on pricing page, add the 2 products in. You can glam the funnel up even better, but yeah. Add a next stage like a thank you page. Thank you. So when they purchase, they go to a thank you page. I'm going to use from existing. Very simple. Just create a page like this. Then just create a thank you page quickly, like something like this, but you can make it even better. But I'm just showing you an example. And then on the thank you page, add the 2 products in again. So now we create the sequence of events that our affiliate link that one of our clients can give to a third person. The third person will click that link and go through these steps. So they go through the pricing page. So the third person can come onto this link, click one of the bundles they want to start, press start, go to the purchasing page, put their name in, click what bundle they want, and then put their credit card details and pay for that service. And then they go to the thank you page. Now, finally, what we need to do is go to the marketing tab and affiliate manager and create a campaign. So let's now make the affiliate manager. So go to affiliate manager and go to campaign, press add funnel. It was funnel we just made, was called affiliate funnel. The pricing page was the first section, and press next. You can add a tier commission system. So at tier 1, if someone gives you 1 referred customer, they get 20% of the income. But if they manage to give you 10 referred customers, they can get a higher percentage of the income. You can add that if you want. I'm not going to do that for now. I'm just going to add a 20%. You can add a campaign description if you want. You can assign an affiliate. So just assign yourself. Add someone like yourself. This isn't someone, okay? Just add someone in to begin with. So it will show up, okay? Now, on additional settings, when someone signs up for the affiliate program, they'll be sent the default template by Highlevel, but I don't like that template. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna create an email template specific for the affiliate one in now. But cookie life, you can keep this to whatever, it's fine. And press publish now. Make sure you name this something appropriate like affiliate program LMX. Okay, and press and just save that. So that default email template when someone signs up for the affiliate is not that good. So go into marketing, go to emails, go to email templates, and press new. And you can start from blank, but here's the one I have. Here's my affiliate welcome template. So all you do is just drag an image, put your logo on, and here's what mine says. Hi affiliate first name. The way you get these custom values is you go here to custom values, you go down to affiliate manager, and then you click this. And you click affiliate first name or full name. Okay? We're happy to have you a part of our affiliate campaign. Here's what to do. Send the potential customer a link to book a free call with us. I just put the link for the free call. If they mention they came to us via you, we'll note this down and pay you if they sign up. Or you can give them this link when they're ready to purchase. And that's the affiliate link of the funnels that we created, okay? You get all these custom values, remember, from the affiliate section. Everything's here, affiliate links right there. Then you want to add here at the end, here are your login details to view purchases made through your affiliate link. To access your account, go to affiliate client portal, and here's your affiliate email right there. I've done it like this because I sort of want to go on a call with someone to explain to them my features before they purchase. I just feel like it's just a better way to build rapport and stuff. So that's the way I've done it. I didn't want the default template because that just says here's the affiliate link. I want to give them an option. You can give them this link to jump on a call with me. Then if they mention that they're from you, I'll give you commission. Or if they're ready to purchase already, give them the other link, which is this one right here. The default email template, let's change it to our new one. So let's go back to edit campaign. Press next, additional settings, and let's get it to our affiliate welcome email. And press finish, publish. Okay, so that's done. Now the last thing to do is create an automation. So whenever someone fills that form out on my website, they get put into this affiliate campaign. Okay, so go to automation, go to create workflow and start from scratch. Call this affiliate automation, whatever you want to call it. Trigger should be a form submission. The form is the form on my website. The form is the affiliate form. Okay. Next, we want to tag this person. So whenever someone fills that form out, we will tag them that they are an affiliate. Then what we want to do is send an internal notification to ourselves. Make sure you have the Lead Connector mobile app and sign in with your high-level credentials. So that you get this notification through the app, which pings on your phone. A contact has signed up. You can go there and put their contact's full name. You can tell yourself the contact email and also the contact phone number. Glamorize that up. Go to contact, go to particular user and pick yourself. Press save. So next what we'll do is add them to affiliate campaign. The campaign was this one and press save. Then update affiliate, mark affiliate as active and press publish and save. I just filled out the form with the name Pablo and I just got this email. Hi Pablo, here's what to do, blah blah blah, and here's the link. You can see at the top it's got the affiliate code Pablo Onfroy, which is the name I signed up with. Someone can click here, press start now, go through the whole process and it all will be done. If you got any questions or you want to jump on a one-on-one Zoom calls with me, so if you sign up through Highlevel, do my affiliate link, not only will you get the free trial, but all these benefits over here. And that's all. Please like the video. Thank you.